Hey guys, once again apologies on the sound quality. We had some technical issues out on the field, but that won't be happening again. Enjoy. So they're pushing up on the booty. We got guys stacked up over here. I feel like these guys have been pushed back a lot, not 100%. We have Elliot over there checking on the booty. He gets paid to do that. Okay. In here we have John Cliff right here. Hi John. John? Yeah. Are you nervous right now? Because it seems like they've really pushed up on the booty.
You got no idea where I am.
That's great. Well, I hope that you guys manage to hold on to the booty, because it's probably the last booty you're ever going to have once this video goes viral.
That's okay, probably.
I'm just kidding. Our videos will never go viral, so don't worry about it. Just joking. It's okay. It's okay. We have... Oh, ow, ow. Oh. I'm hit. I'm hit. Elliot, looks like they haven't managed to grab the booty yet.
I grabbed your booty if you want.
What? Cut this out. And how long is there left right now?
It looks like there's about 20 minutes left.
20 minutes? We're gonna run out of You ready? You're heavy. You're heavy. That was good. That was a good parkour. We're gonna keep that footage in.
Don't get in the way, Matt. Jeez.
Ow! Hit! Oh my god. Dude, that's less than 30 feet.
Oh. Okay, let's move.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. That was a serious face shot, but that's okay. It's all good. I was like, are my teeth still in? Sometimes that happens. Sometimes players get a little too close and full auto. We got overshot a little bit. It's the nature of the beast. Somebody yelled at him. He'll learn. I'm tasting blood, but that's okay. That's a reporter's job. How's it going, brother?
Not bad, not bad.
In the nice blue shirt. Blends in real well with the sky, so if any airsofters are below him looking up, you can't see him.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, we're on TV.
I'm just kidding. Well, not quite. Everyone seems to be playing pretty fair.
One more time.
That was a hero handhold. We need to do more. Don't trip. This gentleman over here. Hi. How's it going?
Hi, it's my first time.
Yeah? How goes the game for you? Are you enjoying it?
It's fun.
Have you been calling your hits?
What's hits? It's fun.
At Panther Airsoft?
It's fun.
Because you look like you're sweating your bag off in there.
Is that bad, man?
Is this a weight loss program?
Yes.
How goes the game, Nico?
Oh, it's good, man. It's probably one of my favorite game modes so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Get into the mine shaft and get the booty.
Yeah, man.
M14, when do you get that?
About an hour ago.
Nice.
Best gun I own so far.
Sick, bro. Sick. Like, good range? Good everything?
Oh, yeah, man. I could use a meat shield.
Don't you guys comment, reporter? Seems like he's got good position, good maneuvers.
Got him.
Nice shot, dude.
There you go.
Good body?
Slightly, not much. A little lawn action there.
Yeah.
Good action with the Crytek, in my opinion.
Right.
You got nice, blue highlights,
I like that. Very cool, man. That's a sick looking guy.
Thank you.
Well, good on you. Keep doing it, man.
Nice big booty.
And we're up.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm
Yeah.
good. My mouth.
Your mouse?
My mouth is a little sore right now. I'm starting to fog up because it's so hot out. But you know, anything for the story.
Mind, we're moving in front.
Oh, that was beautiful. Between this guy and this man, as the guy came over the hill, they shot him. It was real nice. If you look behind you, that gentleman is working his way up through the bushes here, right? So I feel like this is the last line of defense on the right-hand side for the booty. I'm pretty sure if we go up there right now, we're gonna get shot. Press report. I believe you guys are this close to securing the booty, aren't you?
Yeah, we're very, very close.
Yeah.
Get my hands on it.
Yeah, you know what? That's what every airsofter says. They just want to get their hands on the booty.
Heads up.
Okay. It's just me. Oh boy. This man is taking fire
Hey,
right now.
somebody give me some cover over here!
Live in front of us.
Hey!
That was epic though, bro. Poor guy. He had no backup on that. Who got the booty?
It looks like the defenders kept their booty.
No crap. Those attackers were right here, mere feet away from the booty. And they never got the booty.
In our defense, we got one piece of the booty.
So it was take one booty at a time.
Yeah.
But did they get the booty back to base? Did they get to second base with the booty?
I believe so. Where's third base at?
The base is at the respawn base.
Just kidding. Nobody in Airsoft knows where third base is. Let's not kid ourselves.
There's one boat. The boat that we brought to this field. You might have seen House Gamers destroy it.